Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge. In this video, I will be explaining you guys how you can record your screen in iOS. This trick or this method works both on iPhones and iPads. So, without further ado, let's get started. Just bring down your control center and there is this symbol which is meant for screen recording. If that symbol is not present, just go to the settings, hit control center, customize controls, and there just bring up the options to your control center. Once your options is present in your control center of your phone, just bring down and just press on that option which is meant for screen recording. Once this starts, your screen will be starting to record. And in order to stop the recording, just hit that red color icon that is present in the notification tree. And you can stop the recording of the screen. This is how you can record the screen. In case you want to record the audio via internal microphone, just long press on that screen recorder option and hit that microphone on option. Once that turns to red, you can hit that start recording option. By this method, you can record the voice via the internal microphone of iOS. The earlier method will not record voice via the microphone. It will just record your screen. But using this method, by long pressing on that screen recorder option, you can record the voice via internal microphone as well. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content ahead.